Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a cute little DIY for you to try out over this holiday season, which is especially useful if you have family or guests coming. So in my kitchen, I have created a hot cocoa bar right beside where I have set up our coffee bar, and I have this set up all year round with coffee and tea making supplies. So without further ado, let me show you how it turned out, and hopefully this inspires you to create something similar in your own home for the festive holiday season. So here is how my hot cocoa station looks set up next to my coffee bar. The larger jars on the cake stand are from the Target dollar spot, and then these smaller jars and all of the ribbon are from Michael's. And then this yummy candle is from the Grove Collaborative. The larger jars in the back and the cake stand are my own, and I've had them for quite a while. In my hot cocoa bar, I've included cocoa and marshmallows. These tall wafer sticks, which are great to stir your hot cocoa with, I've discovered. And then in the back here, I have a big jar of sugar cookies. And then these are some spoons with sort of chocolate melted to them with marshmallows stuck in them. They work really well melted in some milk. And then here I have caramel pieces, some peppermint pieces because I love peppermint hot chocolate, and some sprinkles. And then the hot cocoa bar sign I picked up from Kirkland's. It was only a couple of dollars. And then finally, I included a couple of mugs hanging on hooks above the whole setup. And then all that's left is for you or your guests to add some cocoa to some warm milk, add your favorite toppings, and enjoy this warm drink in the cold winter months. So I hope that inspired you to maybe try this in your own home this holiday season. As a few other ideas, you could always add different malt powders or chocolate powders that you like. You could add different coloured sprinkles and toppings, especially if there's certain things that your kids or guests enjoy. So as you can see, Christmas is getting started in my house. We are nowhere near done. I've actually dubbed next week as Operation Christmas in my house, and we will be getting things ready for the holiday season following Thanksgiving over that last week in November, all ready for the start of December. So one of my favorite holiday decorating things that I do around the house is actually putting a beautiful garland on the staircase that you can see behind me. So let me know if you're interested in seeing that, because I'd love to share it with you. Also, if you're not already, head on over to Instagram and follow me there, because I post quite a bit in my Instagram stories of progress things and decorating little bits and pieces that I'm doing around the house. So you can always keep up with little projects that I'm up to and progress updates over there. So thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, I would love if you could give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving for tomorrow, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.